अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप? खैरियत से हैं? आज कॉन्फ्रेंस है, केमिस्ट्री कॉन्फ्रेंस जो एसएनएस में हो रही है, उसकी हाइलाइट्स आज मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगा। तो क्योंकि पार्टिसिपेंट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैं, 400 के करीब हैं। जो ओपनिंग सेशन है वो जिन्ना ऑडिटोरियम में है और बाकी जो टॉक्स हैं, पैरेलल सेशंस हैं, वो एसएनएस में हो रहे होंगे। तो मैं आपसे इसकी प्रोसीडिंग्स ये सब आपसे शेयर करूँगा। तो दोस्तों अभी जा रहे हैं हम जिन्ना ऑडिटोरियम में, वहाँ पर ओपनिंग सेरेमनी है, जैसे पहले आपको बताया है। वहाँ अभी चलते हैं। तो अभी हम जिन्ना ऑडिटोरियम में पहुँचे। ये सामने रजिस्ट्रेशन हो रही है केमिस्ट्री कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. On behalf of the Department of Chemistry and School of Natural Sciences,
today I am going to present very briefly how chemistry can contribute towards achieving sustainability in terms of meeting the global aspiration of Sustainable Development Goal. Let me take the examples of few of them. See, there is very important Sustainable Development Goal number 2, zero hunger. Chemistry can make whole lot of difference. Interface with biology, chemistry can help in achieving food security for all by increasing shelf life of food, improve food production, green pesticides and herbicides, high yielding seed varieties, improving food quality and safety, fortification to combat malnutrition, improve fertilizers, and ultimately producing nutritious food in bioreactors through cell factories. This is the ultimate. Think of development of catalysts which can convert biomass cellulose into starch and glucose. This is chemistry can achieve. Food health and wellness, SDG3, is the center core of global development agenda. Chemistry can help in disease prevention and health promotion by providing better understanding of disease processes at the molecular level and help to design more safe, on-target and effective diagnostics and preventive substances. Understanding the effect of hazardous chemicals present in our daily life, chemistry can help to decipher these mysteries, while unraveling chemical processes of cell regeneration. Chemistry is providing the foundation of tissue engineering, where nanomedicine can increase the on-target efficiency of medicines. Clean water and sanitation, extremely important, SDG 6, where chemistry can help in degrading the harmful chemicals present in our water, designing improved water purification technologies, cost-effective desalination, better membrane, developing affordable technologies to remove pathogens which cause waterborne diseases. And then in the field of affordable and clean energy, as you know, Dr. Moses about, SDG 7, is necessary for all human development endeavors, where chemistry can help in designing new material for renewable energy systems, production of carbonless and bio-based fuel, better energy storage devices, and many more. Responsible and consumption. The responsible industrial sector, SDG 12, is meant to reduce and redefine future industrial sector. Chemistry can make industrial process more sustainable by designing chemical reactions which consume less energy, water and miniaturization. New catalysts which increase the yield and minimize waste. Designing cradle-to-cradle processes with zero waste and cyclical production sector. And most excitingly among all is the limitless potential of chemistry in understanding and rewriting the genetic code and create synthetic life. You can, in fact, design your own bacteria, fungi, and others which can produce whatever you want them to produce. So this is the ultimate essential building blocks of life which you can produce by using the genetic material. Coming up to research, I'd like to share with you my own personal experience. And I think of what course of research you would like to learn. You see, we often pursue a research project in one of these two streams. We think of a project which is of extreme applied nature, where you would like to produce something which is of immediate use, and then you lose innovation in that because it is more of very often a reinvention or re-engineering of already known processes. And then some people are brought into research projects which are absolutely blue sky, curiosity-driven, growth-driven research projects. Either one of them will really take you away from the real essence of chemistry. Chemistry demands you to work on both of them together in synergy. Each one of you should have one project which solves a problem, even if it is a trivial problem. If you help solving a problem by even mimicking reverse engineering and by designing a process which is already known, you serve a purpose. You serve a purpose with the immediate benefit and effect in the market. And on the other side, you keep always working on something which you want to work on. You should never leave your curiosity drive your inner satisfaction of working on something which you wish to work on. No matter this gives you zero result for decades, you keep working on a project which you feel important in your inner self. A project which is curiosity driven, a project which gives you self joy and fulfillment, a project which eventually lead to discoveries of unparalleled importance. No promise, but you should continue doing that. Do not be caught in one of these traps. Be sure that you have all of these projects parallel running. And this is one of my secret of my humble success in my life. So this is what I wanted to present to you. And you see here, I'm absolutely and extremely grateful to see a lot of young people here. That is what you will make the difference. Chemistry requires a lot of neuronal connections, and you have much more than us. Make sure that you use them. Thank you very much. Thank you.
तो दोस्तों, ये थी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी केमिस्ट्री कॉन्फ्रेंस की। डॉक्टर रिजवान और डॉक्टर इसाक भी थे साथ। आर्दो के ये केमिस्ट्री की थी, लेकिन बस हम आए हैं ज़रा देखने के लिए कि कैसा केमिस्ट्री होता है। हमें तो समझ नहीं आता। आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम चल रहा है। ये सामने भी बिल्डिंग बन रही है और भी काफ़ी कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है यहाँ पर। ये थी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी और यहीं पर मैं आपसे इजाज़त चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।